Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be looking at crypto struggling. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, just the Discord links will be going out right about now. There we go, links are out. You can pin here on top of the chat. What's up, people? Talk about the markets, right? Talk about the markets struggling. Let's go there. No, the corn in pain, a little bit of pain. All right, let's go here on the daily for the total market cap. What do we do? Look, pulling back down again. We bearish engulfed, right? We weren't here yesterday. Pulling back down still today, and again coming, like we said, targeting 1.19 trillion, right? That was a target. So good. We're still moving down again. Bearish engulfing candle, predicting downwards motion. Talked about that 2 days ago, and we're on track to hit the target. Now, could we try to bounce around here? It would kind of make sense if we tried. Reason for that is, again, I don't want to put a lot of hope here. Don't want to put a lot of hope here, but we are coming down slightly lower. And we are generating this divergence, right? This bullish divergence. It's going to be strong bullish divergence. On this last bit, also looking like a sort of double bottom that we're making here, right? Downtrend. Very short looking, but again, we're making that W shape for now, right? Looking, right? So we have that, oh, sorry, that kind of right. There we go, moving down. Then we have our W here, right? And then now if we start to climb, we're going to start creating that W. Now we need to break this line here. 1.34 trillion for us to start to go bullish. So not bad, not bad. There's lines that we need to break still, right? If we go here and we draw a line like that, you know, we're very likely going to find a resistance line up here. So again, targeting on a moving up 1.55 trillion, right? So we're going to see how crypto keeps on coping with this. Here we go. Here we go, right? So that's it for crypto here again. Trying to find support. Let's go to Bitcoin. Oh man, Bitcoin, very, very similar motion, right? We broke below 28,796 and we kind of closed there for the day. Right now, trying to climb it a little bit. And what we're finding is that it looks just like market cap, right? Look, that movement that we're having on market cap, we're getting it here in the corn, right? Bullish divergence strong, potential fraction day upside, right? Maybe trading what starts to look like a double bottom. I'm not going to put a lot of weight on the double bottom yet, right? Until we start to see that this is going to play and we start seeing breaks. Because the market's it's not really bullish, right? Where we are at here, looks as though we could drop to 26,516. May, what's up? May on the Twitch. So going for that moving down, right? And we're gonna have support of 20,000, breaking there, 26,000. So let's see if we manage to climb here on this. A lot of supports and resistance chart. The only thing I noticed is that all targets that we looked for, right, they've been hit. So we've hit this line, right, and then moving down. We've hit this same area again on the moving down. So, you know, patterns have completed. After a pattern completes, we consolidate for a bit, then we expect to see a reversal. So right now we can say we are consolidating this level for the corn. Bearish divergence, remember? Boom, moving down. That was on the 15th, 3 days ago. Day of May. How long does this play? It depends on what time frame you're looking at. You're good to go out, man. We don't have anything here that's bullish, right? Low, higher low, negative momentum, less negative momentum, and low on the other side to a higher point. Neutral, 41.77. Again, the fact that we've stagnated at this level, right, at 30,242, 28,998, or 20,796, sorry. it's making it to where the market's considering this to be a fair value for Bitcoin, at least since it's been trading here for the last more than 14 candles, right? Starting to come to normal. Now, short-term move here. Look at the 1 hour. Boom, bullish divergence. To answer your question, because I want to answer it right now, it really depends what time frame you're looking at and where you're at. What do I mean by that? If you're at an area of support and you have bullish divergence, it's more likely you're going to trigger it. Also, if you do that, if you find that, then if you are, let's say, up here in the middle of nowhere, and you could have bullish divergence, it played, but usually not as strong as if we are near a resistance or a support. Sorry, a support for bullish divergence and a resistance for bearish divergence. We also want to get some kind of confirmation, right? You gotta wait for a couple candles to say yes, we are. It looks as though we're starting to turn around. And you don't go in on the candle that's doing it, you go in on the next candle upon waiting for confirmation, right? Yeah. So moving up, 20 moving average at 29,221. That is a target. Neutral, sold at 39.84. I had to sit here for the corn, man. You guys want to see something really cool? My print of Thor's hammer is ready. I have here Meow Mix. I'm kidding, Mjolnir. That is a nice, cool pen you can write with. So it sits on your desk. Sorry, it sits on your desk, and it's actually a pen. And I think it's pretty freaking kick-ass. John Thomas, what's up, dude? Yeah, dude, I like that pen thing for my desk. And the cool thing is, like, it doesn't have the pen part inside right now. But you can grab any insert from any Bic pen, which I don't know where I placed it. That's here. Right, any old Bic, and you just put it in there. And boom, here you go, man. You have a pen. Oh, and this one's coming out, but yeah, I need to put something there to make it hold. But it's just refillable with old big pens. Cool, right? So nice. And then it actually clicks. So you can actually click it in. I'm not clicking anything in right now because I just primed it. So sorry. I just put the enamel coating on it, or clear coating or whatever it's called. But yeah, that one's looking pretty kick-ass. The shiny one, I got it fixed, sorta. Now it's better, because now it's more shiny. I gave it some chrome finish. It has some blemishes. It's not perfect. I'm still figuring out why the paint was failing so much, but yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Can I print? Yeah, I can send you the STL file. And then of course, Doctor Strange coaster, right? This one's pretty sick. I like this one a lot. So I managed to fix this one, so I have two now. So I fixed the other one. And then the Iron Man part is coming along fine. And then the Eye of Agamotto is almost done, dude. Agamotto. It's almost ready. It's almost ready, man. Dude, maybe by tomorrow it'll be finished. I still gotta give it another gold dusting with the spray can. And then just putting some shading details. And it should be done. It should be done, man. Can I upload the STL file? Yes, I can try to upload the STL file, man. It's not my STL file, but I can send it to you, yeah. Yeah, it's looking good. Anyways, bullish divergence, pumping, great. Going for the 20 moving average. Nice. Ethereum, 1,941. Ethereum at World War II prices. Yay, 1941, man. Go figure. If you didn't get the joke, that's on you. If you did, right. Eye of Agamotto? Yeah. Yeah, it has moving parts. Yeah, I'll show it to you in a second. So, this is the eye part. It still has, I still have to put silver in here and shade and stuff like that, so it's coming along fine. Just some work that needs to be done here. And then this is the eye portion, right? You're not gonna be able to see it. This is the eye portion, and it actually has hinges, so it actually opens and closes, right? So the eye opens and closes, and you can have a small green LED emerald or whatever in here, right? Which is like the center of the eye. And then when this thing turns, right, because you can turn it, it'll open up the eye, and then you can have the little gem of time and the stone of time in there. But yeah, it is there, man. So, Calcrop Doc, or sorry, not Calcrop, Cars and Crypto. How's the weekly Bitcoin, looking at Bitcoin, a lot of right candles? Yeah. We'll see that in a second. Anyways, Ethereum, similar thing to Bitcoin, right? Oh no, I shifted charts on the daily. Bullish divergence strong, right? Potential for action to the upside, first things. Alright, so bullishness. Might go for a rally, 2,263 is going to be a target. 4-hour chart, right? Dropping again. Do we have bullish divergence here? No. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Neutral at there. Sorry, sold at 39.42. And the 1 hour. Has bullish divergence strong, right? Just like the corn. That potential for action to the upside. We pumped 20 moving average at 1,980. That's here what we're looking at. Sold at 36.90. We don't have that bullish divergence here on the R sides. There's seconds of MACD. And now there's a question about Bitcoin on the weekly and the red candles. Yay, look here. Now this thing is freezing up. Come on. Come on. So you asking about the weekly chart froze the PC. Bring facts out. It's awesome. I cannot read the comment, man. But yeah, the eye portion, I still gotta figure out some things. It is pretty cool, but I still gotta figure out, how to better, when I code it, right, the play is gonna rub some, and I can already tell that it rubs some, so I'm gonna have to actually sand the inside portion more, because what is causing, or what this is making, it's making the eye scratch against the inside portion. So it's gonna, like, whatever paint I put, and I can already tell, is gonna get scratched off. So I kind of not like that, but I can show you the mechanism working here in a second. So this is the eye of Agamotto, and if I twist it, I'm not sure if I clicked it right or not, but I didn't click it right. That's why. Yeah, I don't want to click and play right now, so probably because I didn't line it up properly. There we go. The bottom part, it's tight. It had nice play when I was messing around with it earlier today. Maybe the paint is ruining some of that, because I can feel like it's really taking a lot of strength to actually shift it, which is not good. That should not be happening that way. And that's fine at the point it's at right now. I can always resand it, so it's not a big deal. Yeah, it's not wanting to play ball. So what I'm thinking is, the paint is making it too tight for it to actually turn. So that's wow, now it's stuck in here. There we go. But yeah, this actually goes in there and it just goes like this. So it goes like that and it goes. Ah, see, even here, don't want to open up. It just goes like that, like, and then like, whoa, the fucking motor comes out. But yeah, I can see that it's tight. And I can tell that it's scratching off some of the paint. It's not scratching it too bad. It just tells me that I'm gonna have to sand a lot more inside before I go back and put another coat of paint. And how much is it scratching it? Well, it was a fresh paint job, and it's starting to get scuffs there. So yeah, it's good that I do that test right now, because now I know I have to go back and repaint. Oh, sorry, sand. Before I keep on giving more coats of painting to anything. Wow, my hands smell like paint, and now they're glittery gold. Yay. Right, so weekly, yes, a couple red candles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red candles. 8 red candles. So yeah, what are we gonna do with those red candles? I'm not sure yet, man. They just there. They suck. Hopefully we can start getting a green one. We haven't gotten that many reds in a row. So it's like preparing for worse blackjack theory. There's too many reds already there. 1, 2, 8 red, right? So we need to get a green, man. Maybe next week it's gonna be green. Hopefully, we'll see. Well, let's do ADA at 51 cents. Oh, look at that! It's trying to rally. Hey. On the daily, bullish divergence getting a small pop, right? But right now failing, just like Bitcoin and the rest. No bullish divergence here, sold at 34.46. 4-hour chart. No bullish divergence, sold at 39.35. For 1-hour chart. Bullish divergence strong, like Ethereum and the corn. Greatness. Right, that's what we're looking at. Bullish divergence strong, potential for action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Hopefully we'll go for a rally, right? Z Jake is in here. What's up, dude? I was trying to get every part of the eye gold. There's parts that are not seen, and I'm also not sure if that's messing around with how things are rotating, but it shouldn't. I think it's the tightness. Even though I sanded this inside the inside, it was flowing good, so I have to play with it a little bit more, but we'll see. We shall see. Yeah. So let's do XRP, right? At 40 cents. Also trying to go for a rally. Up on having the same bullish divergence that the rest of the market has. Look at it here. Against MACD, against the RSI, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, potential fraction to the upside, going for that 20 moving average, right? At 41.57 4-hour chart. Nothing here that is bullish daily. Nothing here that is bullish. Still between 45.83 and 40.89. So yeah, 40 cents for XRP. Good. Oh man, I want to look at something else. How's W Luna doing? Luna. Yeah, taking some losses if you bought Luna, man. Look at that. Ooh, 39, 3, 4, 21. Ooh, trying to pump 0.12%. Great. Luna also, same struggle, right? So, what did you do? We had a small bounce. If you took advantage of that and played money in there, good. If you didn't, sucks. High risk again. Yeah, it's been rough at the office, man. Been rough at the office this whole month. Well, particularly this week. But man, am I tired. You guys are gonna be calling in an early stream. I know. It's just it's been a rough couple days at the office. So getting used to more responsibilities, and I'm kind of tired of that. Every time someone leaves, I get more responsibilities. Phil has officially $4 today in all 50 US states. Ooh, that's crazy, man. That is crazy, dude. Long term. 1930s, 1970s. Are you talking about the actual markets? 'Cause it's crypto, man. Not that old, right? I'm gonna do DJI. I'm gonna do maybe gold and oil, and that we're gonna be calling it a stream, right? Oh, look at the Dow dropping 3.57. What? Still have the bullish divergence, right? Even here in the short term, dropping more. I'm just gonna draw this line here. I'm not gonna counter the line draw, but you know, we know stay here. Sold 35.51. So we would need to look at the monthly actually to make that comparison. Oh, look, we come back to 1897 when it was 21 points and people were jumping off buildings. Kidding. You're talking about the 30s. Ooh, look at that nasty drop here on 30s. Well, I mean, from high to low in the 30s, you did drop around 88%. That is a pretty nasty fall, right? I don't think you've seen any other drops like that here in the market, so I don't think it's anywhere close to that. Oh, sorry, we're on log scales. We might have seen some nasty drops. Where's the 70s one? 70s, here we go. We dropped to 40%. All right. And the last one we had was back here on 09, so around 50%. Right now, we're nowhere near where we were at back then, right? I mean, this it's kind of looking a little bit like this for now, right? Up to this point, so I'm gonna draw it here. Whether or not it's different, man, it's just, you know, here, this portion here, like again, coming here. I'm ignoring this dip. That was due to some foreign Rona stuff. So what I'm thinking is maybe that's not going to play out normally, right? Because that was an outlier event that caused that dip. So look at how this rallied and went. Again, same curvature here, right? And that drop that we're getting below at 20. So yeah, looks more like this one, right? 2008 prefab drops. The MACD looks frightening. Yes, nothingness, I think. 526, 400, nothing there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 30s is the nastiest one, right? We haven't seen anything like that. 30s look like crypto, right? 80% drops. Yeah, no worries. I think it's too early to tell, man. I mean, what you can infer from this chart, and it's like the Bitcoin chart to some extent, is that if you were to draw a median, right, it don't matter where you're at in the median, it's always an uptrending line since inception, right? It just goes up, So, yeah. Why, when I'm clicking undo, is it not deleting? Sometimes it does delete, sometimes it does not delete. Right now, it's undo's not working to delete stuff, so that's kind of weird. Anyways, the trend is upsloping, right? And that's what we know about crypto. It's also upsloping forever and ever since inception. So, yeah. Doge 8.41. What madness is this? We're in log scale. That's fine. We're in the weekly. Let's go on the daily. Here we go. Look at that. Oh no, it's dropping. Right below that 786. Finally, after all-time highs. And if it is Doge, and the way it should be is that it should drop back to its regular resting place of around 0.0054 cents, right? So half a cent. That is what Doge tends to trade forever and ever and ever. And you can look at it here, right? Even here, look at that. Oh, look, same area, same area. So we know that it's its regular resting place. It looks as though it wants to drop there, man. It's still gonna be a nasty drop if it goes there. Sold. Nothing bullish here, man. All right, let's go to that 4 hour. Low to high negative blessing. Neutral 38.90. So that's it, dude. Neutral, right? And you gotta remember this somewhere back here. Wasn't somewhere back here like a Doge Father event? We had it like I think tagged or something in one of the charts for Doge that said like Dog Father or like Elon going on something. So. Anyways, Doge, dude. Bullish divergence, just like it's doing the same, similar. Right? I'm not gonna say the same. It's doing similar stuff to the rest of crypto, man. Like ADA, right? No bullish divergence against the RSI, but against the MACD. Potential for action to the upside. If we do go up, 20 moving average is gonna be a target at 8.62 cents right now at 8.41. So that is the move that we're expecting to see here on Doge. Let's take this oil. Ooh, 110 after taking a small drop. Right? Remember we said still could go up to 130 again, maybe try to break for 150 at some point in time. Silver. Not silver, gold, sorry. Bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. I have silver right underneath. And again. Yeah, gold didn't do much today. Watch, guys. I'm really tired, man. Like, this week has been kicking my butt. I told the wife, today's Wednesday, and she's like, yeah. I was like, oh, man, I thought it was Thursday or something. I'm really tired. A lot of work, man. Yesterday we were really late. I have a tech posting bear market confirmed until 2025. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dude, it's it could be right until the next halving. We know that Bitcoin cycles, right? Go up here. We know the cycles, right? Look, we pump, we get to an all-time high, we drop 80%, then we do the halving, then we pump again, then we drop about 80%, then we move sideways, then we do a halving, then we pump again. If this is the top, right, we're gonna drop 80%, that gets us around the 12,000s, right? We talked about that. And if we do go there again, yeah, move sideways a bit, next halving, and then we pump again. So if that is the case, then yeah, we could be looking for a drop, maybe moving somewhere around here, then we try to pump again. All right, so it's cycles, man. It's cycles. Market cyclical. We're all resisting to believe that this was a top because this we had blow off tops, right? But here investors came in, right? So it's a bit different. We'll see. Anyways. That's it for tonight, guys. I gotta get more rest. It's been like it's just been a freaking long week. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us in the Discord. Links have gone out, right? Remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Sorry about, lack of energy. It's just been really, really heavy at work this week. So I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Start Crypto. And maybe I'll have a beer or something to relax into the weekend almost. But until then.